And now the second letter of the Arabic alphabet. Ba. Again, I'm not making a sheep or a goat sound. It's called ba and it's pronounced ba, like the letter B. It looks like a bowl or a bathtub with a dot under it. Note that both words bowl and bathtub start with a B, the letter that sounds the same as the letter ba. It's pronounced the same in both Fusha, which is modern standard Arabic, and slang, in any accent actually. So now we learn two letters, Alif and Ba. Can we form a word? Yes, we can. Bab, which means door. Notice how the letters are linked together. As I mentioned in the introduction, there will be a video about that. You can notice how different letters are linked as a practice, but don't give it much attention for now. Besides, as you probably noticed, any word editor on any device will do the linking automatically. Practice both letters. Practice them well and remember to read the caption of this video to learn more. And if you have any questions, just comment below this video. After that, let's learn the next letter. See you in the next video.